Welcome to this video, where we'll be discussing a common issue that many data analysts and scientists face when working with CSV files in Python: the infamous CSV import error using pandas. This is an essential topic for anyone working with data, as it can be frustrating and time-consuming to resolve. In this video, we'll delve into the possible causes of this error and provide a step-by-step guide on how to troubleshoot and fix it. If you're new to pandas or have been struggling with CSV imports, don't worry. This video is designed to help you understand the concepts and solutions in a clear and concise manner. So let's get started. When working with CSV files in pandas, you may encounter an import error that prevents you from loading your data into a data frame. This can be due to various reasons, such as incorrect file paths, missing or mismatched delimiters, or even encoding issues. To start troubleshooting, it's essential to understand how pandas reads CSV files. When you use the readkif function, pandas attempts to infer the delimiter and other parameters automatically. However, this can sometimes lead to errors if the file is not formatted correctly. One common cause of the import error is an incorrect file path or name. Ensure that you're using the correct path and file name, taking into account any directory changes or typos. You can also try printing out the current working directory using oas.getcdd to verify your location. Another possible cause is a missing or mismatched delimiter. Pandas assumes a comma as the default delimiter, but this may not always be the case. If your CSV file uses a different delimiter, such as a semicolon, you'll need to specify it using the parameter in the readcif function. Encoding issues can also cause import errors. This often occurs when working with files that contain special characters or non-ASCII text. You may need to specify the correct encoding using the encoding parameter, such as UTF-8 or Latinon. In some cases, you might encounter an error due to a corrupted or malformed CSV file. In this scenario, it's best to inspect the file manually and look for any inconsistencies in formatting. To illustrate these concepts better, let's consider an analogy. Think of importing a CSV file as trying to read a book with a specific language and layout. If the language is incorrect, encoding issue, or the layout is inconsistent, delimiter mismatch, you won't be able to understand the content correctly. To summarize, when encountering a CSV import error using pandas, verify that your file path and name are correct. Check for missing or mismatched delimiters and specify them if necessary. Be aware of potential encoding issues and adjust accordingly. Inspect your CSV file manually for any inconsistencies in formatting. In troubleshooting a CSV import error using pandas requires patience, attention to detail, and an understanding of the underlying concept. By following these steps and being mindful of common pitfalls, you'll be well equipped to resolve this issue and work efficiently with your data. We hope this video has been informative and helpful in addressing your concerns. If you have any questions or need further clarification on any points, please don't hesitate to ask in the comments below. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe for more content on data analysis and Python programming. Happy coding! 好耐time，喺同你前我冇 peer。